Good morning students. Welcome to Narayana online video classes. Today in algebra we are discussing about algebraic expression and also the types of algebraic expression and factor and coefficient. Okay, if we see algebraic expression, what is the mean by algebraic expression? That means a combination of the terms. Those are combined by operation either addition or subtraction. That is called algebraic expression. For example, 2x and 3y. Suppose two terms we taken. Now 2x plus 3y. By using the operation addition, we connected both of them. And also 2x minus 3y. Here by using the operation, what is that? Minus. That means subtraction. We are connected both the terms. Now this is said to be an algebraic expression. This is also what is that? Algebraic expression. Another more term also we can take. Suppose 5y square we taken. Suppose here plus 5y square. This is also algebraic expression. Consists of how many terms? 3 terms. Okay, similarly here also minus 5y square. This is also what is that? Algebraic expression. That means a combination of the terms, those are combined by using the operations addition or subtraction are called algebraic expressions. Okay. And if we see the types of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression nothing but which may contain either one term or more than one term. An algebraic expression which consists of only one term. That means, for example, we are taking this one. 2x I am taking. This is the algebraic expression. Here contains what is that? Only one term. Now, such type of expressions we are calling monomial. Suppose two terms are consists of 2x minus 3y, then we call that is binomial. That means an expression which consists of two terms, we call that binomial. Three terms are there, 2 by 3x minus 5 by 2x square and plus 4. Okay, what we call that is trinomial. Okay, now an expression, any algebraic expression we can take. If it contains either one term or more than one term, then we call that is multinomial. That means all these monomials, binomials, trinomials, all are what? Multinomials only. Next. Here, polynomial. This is a special case. What is that? Suppose I am considering an expression C. 2x square minus 4 by x I am taking. Here observe, the index of the variable what is that? Plus 2. That means positive integer. But here the index what is that? If we rewrite this one, 2x square minus 4 into x to the power of minus 1 we write. Here observe, the index is not a positive integer. Now, the expressions in which the indices of all the variables should be positive integers. Whenever an expression is like that, such an expressions we are calling the polynomials. Okay, here observe, here the index of this variable what is that? Positive integer, but the index of the here variable what is that? Not positive integer. That's why this is not polynomial. An example, another example I am taking, 3 by 2 x to the power of 4 minus x square plus 1 we are taking C. Here what is the variable x? X to the power of 4 positive integer, x to the power of 2 that is also positive integer. And here variable not the constant itself a term we can consider. Now in this expression, the indices, that means the powers of the variables are positive integers. Positive integers nothing but natural numbers. Okay, that's why this expression we call a polynomial. Okay, that means every polynomial is a multinomial. Multinomial means nothing but what? An expression which consisting of either one term or more than one term. What we call that is multinomial. Okay, every polynomial is multinomial. But a multinomial may or may not be polynomial. That means that depends upon the indices of the variables it contains. Okay, next. Factor. Suppose a product we are taking 2 by 3 a square bc. Okay, now this is the numerical factor, that means 2 by 3 and a square b square c. Those are the literals. Now in this, now this is a product. In this, any literal you take, let us suppose I taken 2 by 3. That is a factor of the product 2 by 3 a square bc. And one letter I taken, a also I taken. This is also factor of that one. Suppose a square I taken. Yes, a square is also factor of that one. Suppose BC I taken. Of course, BC is also factor of that one. That means in a product, any literal or any numerical value is a factor of the given product. Okay, next coefficient. What is that? Now I consider this term only. I am discussing about coefficient. I am considering again this term only. In that, any factor I am taking. That's why that means 2 by 3 a square I am taking. That means the other factor, what is that? Except 2 by 3 a square, the other factor, what is that? BC. Now this 2 by 3 a square is called the coefficient of the factor. That means the coefficient of the product that is obtained by other factors. Whenever we are taking 2 by 3 a square, except this, the remaining product, what is that? BC. For that BC, this is what coefficient we call. That means similarly, the coefficient of a square I want. The coefficient of a square is what? Except a square, the other factor, what is that? The product of the product formed by other factors. What is that? 2 by 3 BC. Similarly, coefficient of a square b I want. That's why a square b is the coefficient of the product formed by the other factors. What is that? 2 by 3 c. Okay, that's why in any term, if we consider a factor that is the coefficient of the factor, that factor is formed by other factors. Okay, now this is the coefficient, and let us see some problems based upon these concepts. Let us take first. Which of the following is an algebraic expression? Which of the following is an algebraic expression? Here options also writing. Minus 7 by 2 x square yz, and second option minus 7 by 2 x square plus yz, and minus 7 by 2 x square plus y plus z, and also fourth one minus 7 by 2 y plus x square z. Okay, see this one. Okay, here 4 options given. Now we should identify among which is algebraic expression. We have to verify. Observe this one. This is what is that combination of the numeral. Numeral nothing but that is constant, and also literals also we have. Literals nothing but variables. That means the combination of constants and the variables is nothing but what? That is a term. And here the operation what is used? Multiplication. Okay. Now this product gives us what? A term. Okay. This term itself is also an algebraic expression, because an expression which consisting of only one term, what we call, that is monomial. Okay. That's why this is also a term. This is also itself is a algebraic expression. Okay. If we observe this one, now here this is one term and this is one term. Terms are separated by only either plus or minus signs. If we take a plus b, here two terms are there. If we take a minus b, here also two terms are there. Here first term what is that? A, second term plus b. Here first term a and second term what is that? Minus b. But if we see a into b, here only one term. A and b separate terms not. Okay, a into b, that is one term only. And a by b is also one term only. Okay, that means terms are separated by either plus sign or minus sign. Okay, if you see here, this is one term and this is one term. That means two terms are existing. Of course, we are calling that is binomial. Is it algebraic expression or not? Yes, this is also algebraic expression. See here, now minus 7 by 2 x square, that is one term, plus y, that is one term, plus z, that is one term. Okay, this is the combination of the terms. Okay, that's why this is also algebraic expression. Same as minus 7 by 2 into y, that is one term, and minus x square z, that is also one term. Here in this expression there are two terms. This is also algebraic expression. That means this is multi-correct answer. Okay. Now algebraic expression nothing but the combination of the terms. Okay. Here we are using the signs plus or minus for connecting those terms. Okay. Next. Let us take another one. Which of the following is a factor of 5p square cube? And also given options. First option p square, second option 5q, third option 5p, and fourth option all of these. Okay, see here. Now this is the product. Now in that any factor if we taken, that means any numeral or any literal if we taken, that is a factor of that product. Okay, p square we are taking, see 5p square cube. In that already what we have p square, nothing but p square into we can write it as 5q. That's why p square is what? Factor of this one. Okay, this is correct. And 5q into p square, yes, 5q is existing in that. 5q is also factor of the given term. 5p, see 5p square q, nothing but 5 into p into q, that is the meaning. 5p is existing. Now this is the factor of this total term. That means all of this. That's why here actually we give the answer what is that? All of this. This is single correct only. Okay, all of these is the answer. Next, third one, see. In 5 by 3, 5 by 7, x square y cube z. In that, he wants that coefficient of 5 by 7 x square is what? And also coefficient of x square z is what? Coefficient nothing but in a term any fact if we taken, that is the coefficient of the product that is formed by other factors. That means 5 by 7 x square we taken. That means the other factor found by other fact, that means the product found by other factors, what are they? See, 5 by 7 x square y cube z. Now this one I taken. Now this is the coefficient of the other product formed by other factors. What is that? Y cube z. And similarly x square z, this is the coefficient of what is the other factor? 5 by 7 y. Okay, 5 by 7 into y cube. Now in this term, similarly 5 by 7 is the coefficient of what is that? X square y cube z, like that. That means any factor is the coefficient of the product that is formed by other factors of the term. Next. Which of the following is a multinomial but not polynomial? You see the options? Two x minus 3 by 5 x square yz and root x plus 2 by root x, and third one 3x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 4x minus 1, and fourth of all now. Okay, see here. Here given some options. We want to identify in the following, okay, among these, which is multinomial but not polynomial. Polynomial nothing but what? An expression in which the indices of all the variables should be positive integer. That means natural numbers. Then only we call that is polynomial. Otherwise that is multinomial but not polynomial. If you see this one, here what is the index? X is the variable in this term. X power what do you have? 1. That is 1 is the positive integer, no problem. Here also x square, y to the power of 1, z to the power of 1. X, y, z are the variables, powers are again positive integers. That's why every index of all the variables consists in this expression is positive integer. That's why this is polynomial. But we want what? Multinomial but not polynomial. That's why this is not our option. If we see here, root x nothing but what is that? X to the power of 1 by 2. That is the meaning of that. Okay, this is only one enough. If we have any one variable, if its index is not positive integer, that means other than positive integer, then that is not polynomial. That is what? Multinomial. Here also of course we can identify 2 divided by x to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, that is also not multinomial. Now see this one. In first term 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2. X is the variable. The index what is that? That means the power of x what is that? 3 by 2. That is not positive integer. That's why that is not multinomial. Even though here x to the power of 1 positive integer existing. Okay, if any at least one variable existing such that whose index is other than positive integer. That means if index is not positive integer, then that is not polynomial. What do we call this one? Multinomial. Okay. Now here we have two options. That means this is a multi-correct answer type. Okay. Thank you.